Continuing into real life. Let's get some more goalposts for I'll get some if you remember. Let's get right into it. Can we hit that? Can we hit that? Yes, we can! What a 3-pointer. To tie the game up. If you haven't seen this game yet, I just started it. I decided I would record it. So let's get right into it. Let's continue. Tell me if you knew Blake Griffin was in 90. This is an 85. That surprises me. 85 like Blake Griffin. There we go, we got one. Come on! Chris Paul, can we get it in there? Chris Paul, nothing happens. Let's get up there. Let's get up there. Let's get it. We tied the game up without points. This is going to be a low-scoring game. Hold on, guys. Just 1 second. While I get the charger. My phone's is about to die. Here we go, guys. Let's get back into this game. He's gonna try to get me lead with this point, but I'm not gonna lead him. Yeah, I ain't gonna let you. I ain't gonna let you. A silver just got it. A silver. Well, that's okay. We get the last shot anyway. There it goes. That's buzzer beater right there. Oh, we missed it. Let's continue. Chris Paul. I don't think he's scored any points yet. It's very surprising. And right as I say that, he's about to score a point. No. He's going to pass it. And the receiver's going to score one. No, he's not. Nobody's going to score one. go, 3 points. We're in the lead. We have a lead. We have a lead. Michael Jordan there. Just kidding, that's not Michael Jordan. Yes. Michael Jordan. Oh, he shoots a 3. We're putting the lead. And let's take over there. We're going to give it to our best player. And we have the lead by 3 points. So we just need to keep this lead. DeAndre Jordan. He's a good player. So he can make pass. Pass it over. No, he didn't have a good pass, but it doesn't matter because we're about to block this shot. We're gonna get the ball back. I'm gonna pass it up to our best player. And the back up. And we shoot a 3. Let's go up and shoot a 3. And we get the points. We are ahead, and I think this game is locked in. I think this win is locked in, but I don't know for sure. So far, good. If we can make some D stops right now. If we can make the stop right now. This. Oh no, we didn't make the stop. This power, I think, is his first points. And we're going to stop here. I missed it. Wow. I'm going to the last one. That's us. We're going to do it. I still think we have this game locked in if we keep placing good defense. It's all going to come down to one moment. I know it. Okay, so there's no time left in this game, so this is going to be the last shot. No. It all comes down to this moment right here. I don't think we got it off in time. Please go in, please go in, please go in. We're going to OT. We are going to OT. Let's scout his team this time. I didn't want him to do that. Scout. We can switch teams. We have Microsoft. We have Steph Curry in there. Anything good on the other teams? So I guess we're just sticking with our good team, our shooting team. Here we go, tip off in OT. I never win tip-offs. Here comes Chris Paul. Oh, there it goes. The first points does not go. The first shot does not go. Let's get over there. Let's get it over there. Pass over there. Let's get it over there. Oh my God. Okay, let's guard him first. Ooh, that was almost out of bounds. I wish it was out of bounds. Oh, I wish it was out of bounds. But I got the ball. Oh, no, we didn't. I thought we had the ball. I thought I had the ball. What's going on? Why is it not working? Whatever. Let's continue to play. Looks like our not the right team is up.